I'm Kian, and today I want to teach you how to find if a series diverges or converges using integral tests. So let's say we have this series from n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over n. And I want to find if this series converges or diverges. So we use an integral test. So integral tests, we should take the integral from 1 to infinity of this expression 1 over n dn, and then if this integral diverges, that means it goes to infinity, we can then say that the series also diverges. But if the integral converges, that means go to a finite number, finite value, we can say that this series also converges. So if we take the integral of 1 over n, we all know this is the natural log of absolute value of n. So we have the natural log of absolute value of n. And then we have to take the integral from 1 to infinity. So if we plug in infinity, we get in a natural log of infinity. We all know this is infinity. And the natural log of 1, we say that e to the x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0. That means the natural log of 1 is 0. So infinity minus 0 is equal to infinity. That means this integral diverges to infinity. So this means this series of 1 over n also diverges. So let's do another example. I can do it here. Let's do another example. We have the series from n equals 1 to infinity of 3n squared plus 2n plus 1. And now we want to find if this series converges or diverges. So again, we use the same method. We take the integral from 1 to infinity of 3n squared plus 2n plus 1 dn. Now what we do is that we use the power rule. So integral of 3n squared is n cubed plus n squared plus n. We want to calculate it in the interval from 1 to infinity. So if we plug in infinity, we get infinity cubed plus infinity squared plus infinity. All of those values just equal infinity. And if we put 1, get 1 cubed is 1, plus 1 squared 1 plus 1. We get infinity minus 3, which is just infinity. So this means that this integral from 1 to infinity of this expression, whole expression, diverges to infinity. That means this series, based on the integral test that I did, also diverges. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and let me know what you do next.